not think you fuck 5 girl Friday night town or 4 or 2.
Don't you?
Yeah.
I tell you that for.
Have Lexus and Benz and car drive. With my battery one of my car. When man a suck. No boy can blood clot do that. I read a dead poor. Pussy wood. You see me nice? No boy can pour them and pop them and fill up the chip. And give me bike and car. Nothing at all. Not the money coming. Every boy been tap up a pussy when I take away everything. I don't mind the girl.
Kill him, man, sorry.
Me not kill him neither. He dead when he wait if he dead when me tap him up. What's up? Blood clot.
How you think about now? What you say? What you say, Dada? Where you can manage?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you can manage? You can manage yourself.
Let me get it. If when me get it.
Can't bother with you, you know.
I wouldn't live.
Me not think you fuck 5 girl Friday night town or 4 or 2.
Don't you?
Yeah.
I tell you that for. All me sister, then they sometimes they go fuck with me sickness, he hurt me more. Juju.
I think you ain't get no pussy.
No, so hey, this every last lad. Because take quality chance for long with the fucking nipple, why boy lick me with the iron. He can't ask me no. Caught me sleep 2 years and me said thick and something that break my blood clot one. The boy take iron, don't try it. And he can't broke it. Fuck him. Right now I'm a 60 blood clot, the boy can't talk to me again. All police have been begging me saying he's gone up for it. They don't tell me. Let me run the pretty car. Right now they say, I'm me run the pretty car, go broke down the girl, shot down.
That's all, man. Some man I never can see when man I put on the bike, brother. 2025, my dog. One day me and go on no friend so long. One day me and no friend so long, dog. To 12 of them Batman, when they got clear 90. Yo! Yo, them money are best. Move off, elder. Don't wanna come.
Part 2.
You know? Yo, this someone I want to most man get licked from me in a Brompton.
Yes, your blood clot. That's why they want to kill your pussy clot. That's why they want to kill your bum clot. That's why you have in mind. You have in the mind. Why you try that blood clot today, man?
Lash, Lash you kill. Lash you waste of time.
I must Lash you want to kill a kill me.
I'm Mr. Beauty, not trouble him.
You look like that tie.
You must sleep.
You think you're tie?
Man, you go make him go call Trump, you know.
You come and little back up and count and post in your face.
A two big friend Trump and Beauty.
May I beg you, man? May I beg you, man?
Give a chance.
See ya. Pussy hole.
You look to say boss next year. You look to say boss next year. You look to say boss next year.
Pussy hole.
You look to say boss next year.
Beg for you. We don't nobody beg for you.
Alright,
You beg for your blood.
Alright, you say boss beg for you.
He's sick.
That's me I tell you.
You got doctor what you see.
You look, you say boss beg for you. Oh,
and your blood.
you give one hand back, you see.
See it ya, me boy.
Aye.
Batty hole, see it ya.
Y'all come ghost me like one looking for come think everything. Now where's about that? The devil rock and God rock. You see that? One looking for come think everything alright. What's it done, man? Nah, dada. I have to say this now. More I tell you what is real. When you stop your night, you don't go to and you don't go there nowhere. You don't go nowhere. We're not going to place you. I bring you somewhere very well. See them?
No, sir, me not going to, man. Me alright.
I see crowd and miracle a ball in a crowd and me frightened. When I see it, I can't believe that happened. Remember way, man, the man must be healed one man from the street. Like he must have broke her back. And the man dropped. Now the man take a drop in one move at the man road. Man said, no, man circles me go. I said, how much say? Benny. I don't know them man. The man is full of 90. The man come and said, what are we drop down? The man goes to the The bumbo cloth, yo.
Come here,
I think a
make me
cartoon this. You ninja?
Kyle,
Then a cartoon is the man.
come here and make me jack down.
Ninja?
Come here, make me jack
There's a
down.
man come and say, no, you have to drop. All matter what, this is one man tell my belly button, I'm just a ball. So, one man tap touch me up. Fuck. Oh, they say that, I be. But I think when I let you know, I'm just you. The ball to go weak, you fuck. You know what I'm going to show up? Yeah, kush boy will know. You might tell about kush. Kush me I tell about.
But what that? I take me and tell about church. You go upstairs. Now you tell me about more church.
You become on show what is going on in the world and you laugh. The young and me, I'm old and you know go places. You never go and look back because you don't say some blood clot people. When you don't say some people, you wonder what? You know say baby, you know, a young man. We realize with you now, you can't leave man. I tell him, you know, no boy, you know. No, take you no good phone to come talk to me. Because we're going to run now. You know what a woman just take you and say, come here, right now, come. And take you over that blood clot without trying to take you.
Well, more.
Woman take names already, yeah?
More, she want
Woman take names already. I told that
I got spirit, no?
Told that happen. When woman take names from here, but if I don't get up from here, let me know I get up. Woman say, come here. I'm get up. I'm get up by a few. Don't go mad because I'm here. Never run to you, man, no video. Just say, thank God.
So your woman tell us, where woman tell us?
Yeah.
When tell us?
Me I tell you what you tell me. No. Break up, man. You need to get the rest. There are some friends on here that don't like it. And if you straight with them because you're powerful, I mean, shame some things, but the time if you don't talk. Guess what? Judgment depend me. The woman can't want the woman to get up because they don't. Only time you move, and I'm here alone time. Don't tell you move, and then she done with you. And she call you. Like I know I'm chop. Call me. She goes, come here. When I think I call woman, I call me that finger, you know. I force she a call me. Where's the woman do? Where's the about church?
Yes, where's the woman to deal with your problem that you have now?
I have a problem in my life. Where's that?
Yeah, man.
Come on, say any question. No, talk with the mic. No, I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here.
The problem.
If she do the problem, she pray as the problem. So I don't feel like say that. God, my people, yeah?
No, man. A different thing to do.
So I pray she can't pray, man. I deliverance, man. Get. Alright, I'm gonna do something for my dada right now. But Google deliverance.
No, you don't answer my question.
What you ask me? I can't answer. What you ask me?
You don't hear me asking?
No.
You say you have a problem not sleeping at night.
Yeah.
So you go to the church and the woman pray for you.
Give me grabber, dada. Give me some grabber, man. Yo, man, get a word up. Enough people there, sir. What heap of people now, where's the now, dada? Yeah, because she pray for me. We get nice rush. We lose that already. Demon, come on.
You know what? Your nerves.
A spiritual problem, dada. Time to deal with.